Let's say you are right now scared of something. Assume COVID. I'll give you a live example. You're scared of COVID. COVID will take your life. Assume. I'm just giving a practical scenario. What will happen? COVID will kill you. Assume. That is your fear. Now let me tell you how to be staying in fear can help me protect my life. So I'll write down, okay, I'm having a fear, COVID will kill me. Okay, that's fine. So why am I believing it? Answer will come. So I'll say, okay, well, can I take some precaution? Can I remove COVID right now? No. That doesn't mean I'll go careless. I'll write down those things. I'll say, okay, what are the precaution I can take? I'll see if my immune system is weak or strong. If it is weak, let me take some antioxidants, vitamin C, take something around it. If I can take some vitamin C rich foods, others there are a lot of good supplements, organic supplements are there. I'll take them. That I can do. I can try to take care of my health. This is one example I'm giving. Let's say I feel my manager is taking away all my credit, he will not give me good appraisal, all these things will happen, all politics will happen. Assume that is my fear. I'll write it down. Then one thing I'll write down, is it proven or is it my assumption? If it is proven, great. If it is an assumption, always, I'll tell you, once you write down what happens, I'll tell you. I tell this practice to all my students, and 90% people don't do it. 90% people don't do it because there's a power in writing. Whenever I am stressed out, the first thing I do is I go into my room, I take my laptop, I know typing, so I don't write with manual, I start typing. I start typing my whole heart. What am I fearing? Once I write it down, I read it again. Once I read it, I come to know my scan data. Okay, this is what my brain is thinking. Then what I do, I create a ACT. What can I act on? What can I change? And what can I immediately transfer? I mean, what can I transform or remove something from my life? What can I act on? What can I change? And what can I transform or transfer to somebody? If I can act on something, let's say something, okay, which is this need to be act right away. I'll put a deadline. Okay, I have to act on this work right away because this is creating a problem in my life. If something I have to change, okay, my behavior has to be changed or this project has to be changed, then I'll start working on changing this project right away as soon as possible. That is the power I'm talking about. Otherwise, what will happen? Suppressing the feeling is not a solution. Giving yourself positive self-talk is also not a solution. So how long can you give yourself pep talk? A fake pep talk cannot help you for longer period of time. That means you have to really understand what is disturbing you. And trust me, it is such a simple exercise, but tremendous reward. But I don't know why people don't do it. Anybody who is confused right now, just do this. You will see tremendous mental relief in your mind because writing gives you a clarity. And then, if it is among two people, writing advantage is you sit with that person and talk. When I have written down the certain things I'm really worried about, I want to talk to you. He may take you on lighter note. Initially, he may not believe it, but they say, Baba, I'm serious about it. Something is bothering me and I want to talk to you. And once they see the tone on yours, they realize that something is really serious. They'll start talking to you. But all this thing needs skill set. That's where communication skill comes into picture.